Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to solve today question. This one, 4 dice are rolled, and we have to find the probability of sum at the faces of all dice being 16. It was question from JEE with the 12 paper yesterday, which happened in the morning shift. Okay, so let's move on to approach. See, we can have many methods to solve this one, but main goal is like if our output of dice 1 and dice 2 and dice 3 and dice 4 are respectively x1, x2, x3, and x4, then it should be equal to 16. Now, some people might try to solve it using the PNC rule of solving such kind of equation with this approach, but it might fail in many cases. So we will just simplify it. Now what can we do is like we can have these two outputs are coming from first two dice, and these two are coming from 3, 4 dice, right? So now what we can see is like we can make some sum using some part of sum using this and some part using this. Be sure that you are not giving both the absolute half value because it might not lead to correct answer. So if we are rolling 2 dice, then we can have minimum possible sum as 2 and maximum possible sum as 12. You can see it here. Minimum is 1 and maximum is 6, that is 12. Now, coming to next part of this question. So what we can do is like just we can have new one. Okay, sorry. This is me being first time recording things. I'm nervous. Okay, that's fine. We forgot. Okay, so what we can do is like we can make the sum called A, which is coming from D1 and D2. Sorry for my writing. And sum being D from D3 and D4. So if sum here is 2, what we are going to have from here, we have to take 14. Is it possible? Oh, now 3. Then what we will require here, 13. It is also not possible. Now 4. Now for here we have 12. So this can be done. Now next one is 5. For 5 we should have 11. It is also possible. Now for 6. 6 we have 10. Is it possible? Yes. Now similarly for 7. 7 I am writing here. 7 we should have 16 minus 7, that is 9. Now for 8 we must be having 8 here also. These two are possible. Now one interesting thing is like if we will put 9 here, we can have 7 here. But isn't it this one? 7 and 9. So it is just repeating. Okay, so final conclusion is like this. We have to find the base starting from this one. 3, not 3, 4, 12 say 3, 8, 8. Now I will write that here. So for 4 we must have 12. For 5 we must have 11. For 6 we must have 10. For 7 we must have 9. For 8 we must have 8. Now the number of ways by which we can make here is to be done twice because we will have like 12 and 4 is also satisfying the case. Similarly here into 2, here into 2, here into 2, and here into 1. Now to find this is very easy. These are 36 cases which can be drawn from the sum of 2 dice. Now here what we can do is like we can just go and check that where is the sum. What we have to check for 4. So 4 we have this case. What it is? Okay. That means my 2. This one is my 4. Okay. So 4 what we have? We have 3 cases. So here we can have 3 into what we have? We have only what we have? We have only one case which is signed here. This one. Okay. Let me just this one. Now so here we have 3 into 1 into 2. Where is 2 coming from? It is coming from 4 and 12 and 12 and 4. So it is 6. Now similarly you can find for 5, 11, 6, 10, 7, 9. It is 4 combo. And your final answer would be 255. So coming to the final part of question, we have FC favorable cases is equal to 125 and total cases 6 to the power 4. So it is final answer. Now one mistake I have done. As I said, it is not 255, it is 125. This is my first video. I'm sorry, I'm recording because someone is around me. Okay, thank you very much. All the best. Please like, share this channel, and I will try to re-record this video.